Rumi is one of the most mysterious members of Huntrix. She's graceful, calm, and shines with a quiet strength. Even with a shadowy past, she always chooses the light. Her dances are magical, and her eyes tell stories without a word. Her outfits are dark like the night, but sparkle like the stars. She speaks with silence and draws with elegance. Let's draw this dreamy K-pop hero together. We've finished the face. Let's draw her long, flowing purple hair. If you follow me while we draw Rumi's hair, you'll see how easy and fun it is to draw braids. Coloring time. You can use any colors you like. This is your Rumi character, and it's all up to you. I'll start by coloring her face with a skin tone marker, then add more colors using colored pencils. But you can use any art supplies you love, markers, crayons, watercolors, anything. Don't forget to like this video and follow my channel, so you won't miss the next magical character we'll draw together. See you soon in another fun and colorful video. Bye-bye!